In this video, you are going to learn how to customize header in your Generate WordPress theme. For that, you have to just log in into your WordPress. As you can see, I have already logged in into my WordPress theme. So after login, you will see there is an option over here, customize. In the appearance section, you can see there is an option after the themes customize. Just click on that, and after that you will see there is an option over here, layout. Now you have to just click over this one. Now you will see this is a first option, header. Now you have to just click on that. You will see your header width, your header inner width, alignment, and so on. So let's suppose you don't want a full header like that. What you have to do, then you have to just click contain. As you can see, the whole website, your blog, it will be contained on centered. As you can see, it will not full. Okay, now as we just click once again, so let's suppose I click over here, and if I want to header padding, I can do it header padding also. Let's suppose I will take it 10. Now you will see there is a gap and heading will be automatically adjust, but I don't want. Let's suppose I don't want now this case. So now if you want something, anything related to, let's suppose you want some navigation before, after, you can change it from here. This is so simple. You can check it onto your mobile also, as you can see. Okay, now you will see, and if you want to see it a desktop version, you can see like that also. Like that you can create your own header customization with just click and just few changes over here, and you will see the reflect and live changes. I hope this video tutorial help you how to create, how to customize your header in especially GeneratePress WordPress theme. Thank you, my friends.